ListGrabber can help you automate your list building process up to 10 times faster. ListGrabber can help you build a prospect list, a cold calling list, or even a mailing list in a matter of seconds. Building a list manually is a very tedious and time-consuming process. Here is what I do. Go to an online directory, get the list of contacts, manually copy-paste them onto a spreadsheet. This might sound really simple, but that's really a lot of work to do. It takes about 25 hours a week on an average. Now let's see how ListGrabber helps automate the list building process. Go to an online directory, get the list of contacts. Launch the ListGrabber toolbar, highlight the contacts, and click on the Grab button. ListGrabber instantly captures contact list onto the grid. Click off a button and the list is ready. Wow! What's more, transfer the contact list to applications like Excel, Outlook, Act, and Goldman. Contact list from an online directory is instantly transferred onto an Excel spreadsheet in just a few seconds. Think list building automation, think ListGrabber. It really does what it says. ListGrabber is easy to use, single-click contact capture, excludes all the advertisements on the web page and captures only relevant information, customized macros on request. To download a free trial version, please log on to the website extractor.com, or to schedule a live demo, please contact 408-516-4566. Thank you.